Out in the garden where wild things flow, I planted my heart to see what will grow. I nurtured it with kindness and watered with love, so very excited to see what comes. Morning after morning, I waited patiently, and then I seen